Yeah, so this is Next.JS and how as a front-end developer you can basically set up that's maybe you want to try something for yourself. For instance, you want to work around crowd operation or crude operation, and maybe you don't have any deployed endpoints. You can basically use JSON data. So in JSON data you can basically it works fine. That's as a beginner or someone who wants to actually work around CRUD operation. Yeah, the JSON data is actually going to help you do that. And yeah, so after you've created your next JS application and all configurations are actually done, you've cd into your my app or your very project name, and you've run your npm run dev, and everything is actually done. Yeah, that's per your working environment. You need to actually ensure you open or create a new terminal or a new working environment where you can basically execute certain commands. Yeah, so once it is done, now your program is all your Next.js application is running, and for you to also run your model or your JSON data, mine is db.json in this very directory, that modules. Yeah, so now I have it, and you need to do some other steps before you can see your server or your model running. So this how you're going to do it. After creating a new terminal, you need to ensure you have npm install Azure JSON-Server, and also you need to run npm run server. But before that, you need to come here, your script. You need to have this server, JSON-Server app module db.json, and I'm running it on port 5000. It is because this directory is coming from where I've stored my db.json, and basically that's how it actually works. So once everything is done, like you set up everything, now your Next.js application is running in your server where you can perform your operations, or your CRUD operation is also running, so you are good to go. So this is basically a simple way of setting up your your JSON data. Yeah, thank you, CJ Tech.